Hey guys, welcome back to MattDIY. So today we got an interesting video. We're actually going to do an oil change for a buddy of mine. It's on a Chevy Silverado. I'll show you when he gets here. We're actually going to go ahead and change the oil on it and show him how to do it. And I figured, why not go ahead and record, because we actually got the 5.4, I believe it is, in this truck, which is very common. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys. So we're here with a 2016 Chevy Silverado. We got Josh with us today. We're gonna go ahead and change the oil. And gotta say, guys, this is a sick looking truck. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Let's see. Oh, just right there. Okay, there we go. Oh, nice. I'm gonna have to. All right. So here it is, 5.4, right? 5.3. 5.3. I think I said 5.4 earlier, guys. It's the 5.3. So common Chevy engine. So I figured we'll go ahead and do the oil on this. Just looking around here. Okay, so we got new oil right there, dipstick right there. There is a skid plate underneath.
It actually comes on the Z71 package. So.
Gotcha. So yeah, we'll go ahead and take that off, and I will have Josh film while I'm going at it here, and we'll go ahead and get started. Alright guys, one thing I like to do is just go ahead and open up the oil fill, as well as pull the dipstick just to let air into the system. That way it all drains out quicker, and won't be standing here all day. Alright guys, so when you're doing a new filter, you always want to put just a little bit of bead of oil right on the gasket, and that helps it seal up whenever you hand tighten it into the truck.
Hand tighten it.
yeah. Keyword, hand tighten. Okay. Alright guys, all that's left is to fill her up, which I believe this thing takes about 8 quarts. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is got the oil in there. We're going to have Josh go ahead and fire her up. And we're going to check for leaks underneath, and if we're all good, then I always shut her back down. And we're on the level here, and we'll just go ahead and pull the dipstick, make sure the level's right. Should be good to go. Yep. Alright. Just go under here. Make sure we don't see anything. Get you guys up under here. Stay there. Nothing coming up around the filter. Looks like we're good to go. The first pull, guys, always just wipe it off and just shove it back down. Maybe. There we go. And you can see we're actually perfect right within the lines. That's it. We're done. Good to go. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Thought that'd be something cool to film. 5.3, pretty common engine. Pretty easy, although as you can see, I might have completely ruined this shirt. So that's fun. Actually, when I was taking the filter out, it fell down, splashed in the oil. We got it everywhere. But hey, you know what? That's all part of doing it. It's all part of getting down and dirty with it, and just having a good time doing things yourself. So if you like this stuff, guys, go ahead and like down below, subscribe. Be sure to drop your comments. Let me know what you thought, any questions, things like that. And until next time, guys, get out, do it yourself.